Good day sa'yo.
Good job, my love. Thanks for the intro, Klaus. Let's cook tofu with vegetables. Pregnancy with GDM and insulin taking update din tayo. Ayan, pati si mama, na-killer look ko na. Ay, biyanan ko pala siya. And at the end of the video, let's watch out kung ano ang result ng blood sugar monitoring ko. Tokwa or tofu, cut in dice, madaming butas na kangkong. Si Daddy Vic and si Klaus ang bumili neto. Get the leaves and cut the kangkong stems. Dahil nga isang taling kangkong lang ang nabili ng mga lablab ko, pinadagdagan ni Mama ng mga gulay sa ref. Adobong, tokwa at kangkong talaga dapat yung recipe ko eh. But we gotta live by the changes. Ay wow. Ayan, frinay ko na nga yung tofu. Eto pang isa, dapat firm tokwa to. Pero nabili ni Mama soft tofu. Okay naman, kaya lang mahirap siya iprito, dahan-dahan or else durog siya. Moving on, magigisa na tayo ng bawang at sibuyas. Either use margarine or butter and then mekos-mekos mo na yan. Pour some toyo, tansyahan na lang. Next, squeeze some lemon or calamansi and then add water. Kapag napadami ng toyo, add ng water. I added nor cubes kahit anong flavor. And then, ihulog mo na yung sitaw and yung stem ng kangkong. Pakuluin lang and then add na the cabbage at dahon ng kangkong. Ayan. Add ka lang ng sili if trip mo. And there you go. Naparami natin at nakapag-adjust tayo sa recipe na to. Insulin taking update din tayo. Yes, I started with 4 but now 10 units of insulin na tayo. Ang sakit ng tusok. Ayan, pati si mama, na-killer look ko na. Ay, biyanan ko pala siya. Kinil mo ko dun. After 15 minutes of being injected, I can already eat. Yay! So, red half rice as always. Kain. Taste test. Sarap. Medyo naparami lang yung lemon, kaya I prefer calamansi. But all good. Pregnancy update tayo. Today is January 8. Currently at 21 weeks or 5 months and 1 week. Because of my bad cough, pinag-take na ako ng antibiotic ng OB ko dahil nga nag-worsen yung ubo ko since the time na nagkatrangkaso ako before Christmas. I also told her that I'm prone to pneumonia. So, sobrang anxious ako for my baby. I will finish my antibiotic by January 10 and then pwede na daw ako magpakas after nun. That's congenital anomaly scan wherein the sonologist will check the body parts and the size of the baby and check the gender na din. Yung 10 units of insulin ko, it's before each mealtime. And sugar monitoring is 3 times a day pa rin. 1 hour after my first subo. Here's my result. Your blood sugar test result will never go wrong with vegetables. So there, till next GDM-friendly recipes. Follow for more. Blessings!